So guys, Samsung already has launched two foldable smartphones in the market, the Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Z Flip. The South Korean giant is now gearing up to launch a third foldable smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, which as the name indicates will be the successor of Galaxy Fold. And now a new leak surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 has provided more details about its price and camera specifications. As per the leak from Rose Young, founder and CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, the Galaxy Fold 2 will feature a triple camera setup on the rear with dual optical image stabilization. This will include a primary 12 megapixel shooter, a 60 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a 64 megapixel camera for offering hybrid zoom. While not mentioned, the primary 12 megapixel shooter would likely be similar to the one that Samsung uses on its Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus. The use of a 60 megapixel ultrawide would be an interesting choice since Samsung switched to a larger 12 megapixel ultrawide sensor on the Galaxy S20 series. The 12 megapixel ultrawide sensor on the Galaxy S20 is a bigger sensor and takes better ultrawide photos. As for the 64 megapixel sensor, it would allow the Galaxy Fold 2 to offer hybrid zoom as well as record 8K videos like the Galaxy S20 series. Young also mentioned that there is a hard coating on top of the ultra-thin glass on the Galaxy Fold 2, which will help take notes with the S Pen without the display getting scratched. But we don't have any information whether Samsung has made a custom S Pen just for the Galaxy Fold 2 or they are gonna use the same one from the Galaxy Note series of smartphones. In the recent days, we also came to know that the Galaxy Fold 2 will be cheaper than the Galaxy Fold. And we know that Samsung will offer 256GB variant of the Galaxy Fold 2 and the original Fold offered only one storage variant of 512GB. So by offering the Galaxy Fold 2 with lower base storage, Samsung will be able to bring down the starting price. Rose Young also said that the Galaxy Fold 2 will be priced between $1,780 and $1,980. Samsung is apparently looking to boost the volumes of the Fold 2 and intends to price it around $100 lower than the original Fold at $1,880. Yes, the lower price would be there despite Samsung including a bigger and better 120Hz display, a bigger outer display, improved camera setup, S Pen support, and most importantly the Snapdragon 865 with 5G that is very expensive. And for launch date, the Galaxy Fold 2 is expected to be launched alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series in August this year. The device will then start shipping from September. More such videos will be coming on my channel, so do subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.